Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from Ezra Automation channel. Today I am going to show you a tool where we can automate the manual test cases, which will act like a automation for manual test cases. So let's get started. So I will show you the tool now. So once you open a Chrome, you need to install Selectors Hub. For example, let me search for Selectors Hub for Chrome. So once you search, you will see a Selectors Hub here, and this is an extension for Chrome and it will available for all other browsers as well. So you need to enable this extension for your Chrome. So once you have enabled this extension in your Chrome, so that extension will be here in this extensions. So I have pinned this so that it will display here. So once you click on this tool, and then it provides some information like quick info, you can refer this information, and then after you can click on this button here on the top right. You can see click open test case studio. So this test case studio helps us to automate the manual test cases. So once you click, it will open a new interface. So that interface looks like this. So it says test case studio, and in the first line you can enter the test case name. For example, verify Google search. So there's my test case title, and then after you will see delete, so which is like a clear all, and start and stop button, and the question mark to find more about this tool. And you have this set attributes. So once you click this, it will show you different attributes, like what attributes that you wanted to capture. It not only capture the manual test steps but also some part of attributes with respect to the test step, right? So now it is running here. So you can see click to stop recording. Now it is working. So let's quickly search for testng, and then after you search for testng, and here is the first link that you wanted to go inside. So once you click here, now you are into testng, and after that you click on this download, right? These are the steps that we perform, and we know that these test cases. And once you open this tool, which is a test case studio, you can see open a website, right? We have opened a website. Then after we have clicked on testng welcome, and after that it open, you have clicked on download. So these are the steps that it is providing in the manual way. You can copy these test steps, and let me open quickly notepad, and you can paste it here. It looks like a normal test case steps, right? So it is an automated way, so no need to write test cases manually. What action that you are performing. And likewise you can manipulate the test data also. So data which we have provided, right? For example, it's a URL, so you can see that URL here. And the commands, like generally we see the Selenium based commands, like xpaths, what xpath that we are using for such step or element where we are clicking using a mouse action and keyboards. So it will capture those commands. And in case if you wanted to see only ID of the attribute that you are trying to search, then you can check and uncheck these boxes. So this is a complete overview of this tool, so which is very handy. And you can export this file as a Excel. So once you click on save test case, it will download a file which is looks like Excel file. I'm opening that file now. So this is a file. It looks like same like what we have seen on the tool, right? So it will export same steps here, so where we can share in between teams. So these are the steps that we perform, and these are the test data and the commands which we have used, or it has identified when we are performing some actions. And this is a very handy tool. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.